RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF University.
Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome to Rhythm. I'm Shreya Savaja and you're watching a special segment, Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing community of career enthusiasts. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has invited applications to fill the post of Regional Officer at their Central Board of Film Certification Office in Mumbai. For more details, please visit the official website of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which is www.mib.gov.in. The Border Security Force is conducting direct recruitment for the posts of Assistant Sub-Inspector, Stenographer and Combatant Stenographer, Head Constable Ministerial and Combatant Ministerial in Central Armed Police Forces, and Warrant Officer, Personal Assistant and Havildar Clerk in the Assam Rifle Examination 2024. Applications are invited from male and female candidates who are residents of India. Candidates can apply online for one post only through the BSF recruitment portal at rectt.bsf.gov.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the vacant post of manager under the planned scheme of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Ganpat University, District Mehsana in Gujarat, funded by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. The last day for receipt of online application is 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please refer to their website www.kvkmehsana.org. Hindustan Copper Limited is inviting applications for the post of Deputy General Manager and Company Secretary on an immediate absorption basis. Candidates may visit the career page of HCL website www.hindustancopper.com for a detailed notification. The last date for receipt of applications is extended till 1 July 2024. Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, a leading profit-making company in the business of manufacturing and marketing of fertilizers and industrial chemicals, has invited applications for the post of management trainee in various departments including chemical, mechanical, electrical, fire, marketing, human resources, administration and many more. For all the details, please refer to the recruitment section of the company's website www.rcfltd.com. Applications are invited for filling up the posts of Director General Doordarshan and Director General Akashvani on a deputation basis in Prasar Bharati, New Delhi. For eligibility criteria, qualifications and other details, please visit their website at www.prasarbharati.gov.in. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur has invited applications from suitable candidates for filling up various non-faculty posts, including Medical Superintendent, Senior Accounts Officer, Administrative Officer and Upper Division Clerk. For the application form, eligibility criteria, qualifications and related details, please visit www.aimsgorakhpur.edu.in. The Central Sanskrit University, Delhi, invites applications from Indian nationals for recruitment to several academic and administrative posts in the IKS EDS Center of CSU at Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute, Yerawada, Pune. These positions are for research, training and monitoring the Sanskrit Dictionary project, as well as the development of the IKS Encyclopedia and credit-based IKS Swayam courses in various disciplines. Interested applicants are required to apply online through the link provided on the CSU website under the Recruitment or Notification section at www.sanskrit.nic.in. Bank Note Paper Mill India Private Limited has announced openings for several posts of Process Assistant Grade 1 across various disciplines such as mechanical, electrical, electronics, chemicals and more. For detailed information about these positions and the application process, interested candidates are encouraged to visit the company's official website at www.bnpmindia.com. The deadline for submission of applications is 30th June 2024. Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute has announced vacancies for several positions on a contract basis at its Itanagar campus in Arunachal Pradesh. The deadline for submitting applications is 22nd June 2024. For detailed information about the vacancies and the application process, interested candidates can visit the Institute's official website at www.srfti.ac.in. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.